Good evening and welcome to the oliveboard platform. My name is Maruth Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and today we are here to continue our series of practice sets. So we'll be continuing with the SSC CGL practice test. Good level of questions, good mix of questions, and mostly they are from previous year questions. So you will have a fair understanding about how the questions have been asked so far. Now I know I have been hearing a lot of development from students that the vendors might change and previous year questions may not be irrelevant, but remember the words may and might here. Right? So till the time a definite answer comes up, do not get into this zone of not solving PYQs. And also, I am not saying or nobody is saying that even if the vendor changes, the PYQs will become irrelevant. This has happened in the past when TCS had come up, the questions which were prior asked, okay, were still important because you got to practice on those lines. Please pay important attention to this important factor, because you guys are missing on it repeatedly. You're getting carried away. I understand whatever is happening around you. It may seem positive, it may seem negative. Whatever it is, stay neutral and keep preparing for what is yet to come. What is bygone is bygone. Let's move ahead, right? So first and foremost, if you're new on the oliveboard platform, hit the like button right away and subscribe to this channel for more wonderful content which we regularly churn out for you. Also share this session across platforms so that your other aspirants, other fellow aspirants, your friends, etc. can benefit from these videos as well. So let's start right away. If you have any issue while the session is going on, if you need explanation or re-explanation, just put it in the chat box and I'll do that for you. Let's start with the very first question here without any further delay. Before we start, so as I have been telling you regularly that if you are new to this platform, you have chosen the absolute correct platform for SSC preparation, because this is here right in front of you. They are testimonials from the toppers of 2024, 2023 and so on. Not only CGL but CHSL and other SSC examinations as well, right? And I'm not only talking about practice or content, it is also about courses. Manjot Singh here, the AIR1 of JSO this year 2024 was a student of a previous batch running in oliveboard, right? So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and download the uploaded version of the application right away. And there is one more information which I want to share with you, which I will not do now. I will do it by the end of the session, right? So stay tuned for that. Okay, I'll just put a timer here and we start. Okay, let's start. I'll give you around 50 seconds for this. Yes, let me know the correct answer. Everybody who is a part of this session needs to participate. And you have sufficient time for this. Okay, very good. So it's a very simple logic. What exactly is happening here is, if you divide this by 3, okay, this might not strike immediately here. This might not strike immediately here. But if you divide this by 3, you will get, 9. Divide this by 3, you get 3. So technically either you multiply this by 3 or you divide this by 3. You will get 81 as your correct answer, which is option C. Good job. Excellent. Debashish, wonderful. Let's move on to the next question. Very good. Smart and quick. Okay, what is happening here? So if you look at the place values, this is 15, this is 17, okay. This is 24, this is 26, okay. This is 25, this is 27. So we are simply adding 2 here, right? Simply adding 2 to all the place values. So how will doctor be coded? So this is 4, you add 2, you get 6. You start with F, okay. So these 2 are gone. FQE, don't repeat it. Check for the 4th letter straight away. So this is T, T plus 2 is V. V, option B is the correct answer. That's how you can go, you can be quick at it, okay. Because every second counts. Every second counts in the examination. See, if you are well aware about one concept, this is very easy actually. This is not difficult. This was asked in SSC CGL 2022, I believe. Yes. Any shot? Now, if you observe it here, the cube of 17 is 4930, right? Cube of 17 is 4930. Why am I taking the cube? Because this is closer to it. This is closer to it. Okay, around 12,000 is for 23, 12,000 something. So we are close to that. Now, if we are close to that, what exactly is happening? 4913 and 4607. If you take the difference, you will get 306 here. Okay, now where did we get this 306 from? Okay, where did we get this 306 from? So you know 17 square is 289. Okay, and if you check this, what will you get? You will get, this is additionally, if you add 17 here, you will get your answer. So what exactly are we doing is, we are taking 17 cube, okay, and we are subtracting 17 square plus 17 from it to get our answer. Or you can simply take it as 17 cube minus 17 square minus 17, and that will give you your answer. Or you can multiply 17 by 18 and get the same logic. Okay. So on the same logic, if I subtract 11 cube minus 121 minus 11, what will I get? So 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, I should get 1199, right? So option A becomes my correct answer. Got it? Understood? Interesting question this is. And I would not say this is an uncommon logic. This is a common logic. Okay. So I have told you a special number series. I have always repeatedly told you in my classes, you can create a special number series. I'll just repeat that for you here. So that special number series is going to consist of all the numbers which come under the category of n square. N square is too common. I think you already know that. N square by 2, n square by 3. Then we have n cube by 2, n cube by 3. Then we have 2n square, 3n square. We have 2n cube, 3n cube. We have n square plus minus n. We have n cube plus minus n. We have n square plus minus 1. We have n cube plus minus 1. We had n cube plus n square. This is what I had told you to do in the end, right? Apart from this, you can add this here, n cube plus n square plus n and n cube minus n square minus n. So this is an additional information. You can put it from, let's say from 1 to 10. So for n equal to 1 to 10, just make a list of all these letters, all these numbers. Gradually, you will start remembering these numbers, and solving these number-based questions will become very easy for you. Simple classification-based questions. Come on. Very easy. In the way race is related to track. In the way, sorry, not classification, analogy. Yes, correct. So in the way race is related to track. Where is the race done? It is done on a track. Okay. Where is wrestling done? It is not done in a court. Exercise is not done on a course. Kart is not done on a wheel. Athletic stadium is absolutely correct. Yes, sir. Athletics is performed in a stadium. Oh, this didn't need that much. Correct, Argamita, absolutely right. Jason, absolutely right. Debachi is correct, good. Try this one now. Sorry, your name was Joyson. I read Jason, my bad, sorry. Extremely easy question, guys. And I know why you are not able to get this instantly. The primary reason is you are stuck on the first word only. Check the second word. I am very sure you will get your answer. Excellent. Excellent. So what exactly was going wrong is when you check star and 92678, you end up getting confused. You can't get anything clearly. But if you check flag and this, you will be clear that the opposite of F is 21, the opposite of L is 15, the opposite of A is 26 and the opposite of G is 20. It becomes very obvious. All are two letters, so you can easily identify. So similarly, opposite of S, T, A, R. So that makes sense. So opposite of L, O, G, O. We'll start with opposite of O, that is 12, then 7, 12, then 20, 12 and 15. This is our answer. 1220115, which is option A. Next. So the figure series based question, you can look at this figure now and I'll just enlarge this for you and we'll start the timer. A few elements can give us our answers. Correct. Amit, absolutely right. Very good. Argamita, correct. Good. Okay. Now, if you observe carefully here, let's observe this first. So, what does the travel look like? What does the movement look like? So, from here it is going here, this figure is traveling here, this figure is traveling here. They are just moving clockwise one step each time. Okay. And the second movement is 90 degree anti-clockwise, 90 degree anti-clockwise. So, now it will come here and it will go 90 degree anti-clockwise again, right? So, this will be the correct figure. So, this option and this option cannot be right. We have to choose between A and B. Now between A and B, look at what elements are common. Look at what elements are common or the same. This element and this element are the same. So there is no point in checking this element. Straight away check for this element. Okay. When you check for this element is going to go on the right hand side. Okay. And it is going to move anti-clockwise. Right? Anti-clockwise. See, anti-clockwise movement. Correct? So anti-clockwise again. Now there is one more error which has happened here. Okay. So one anti-clockwise movement, then anti-clockwise and switch. Anti-clockwise and switch. The colors have switched. So another anti-clockwise movement, right? When you take another anti-clockwise movement, you will get white on the top and black on the bottom. Technically, this is my correct answer. Okay. If I take anti-clockwise movement, see, if I just repeat it for you. From here it is coming here, anti-clockwise movement. So white on top, black on bottom. From here it is coming here. Either this question figure is incorrect because then it should have white here and black here. Okay. Or what is happening is it might be alternatively that it is going anti-clockwise and flip. So the third time it is going to only go anti-clockwise. Either which ways this is only going to be the correct answer. So what we can do is, if I correct it, then probably the answers will change. Let me just rectify this because this seems to be incorrect. This makes more sense now. Now I think this will get more clarified. Now will be clear as to what will happen. See, because this was white, then it came here and it went anti-clockwise, and now it is going to come here and go anti-clockwise. So white is going to be below and black is going to be on the top. So our option is going to be answer A. Okay. So this is the issue. Actually, the issue was in the question. If you rectify the question, everything is okay. Next. Good job, guys. I am very happy with the participation today. Excellent. Next. Good, okay. So we know that, see, first letter is R, don't bother checking it. Second is M, so 13, 15, 17 and 19. So we are just adding it by 2. 19 plus 2 is 21, so central letter is going to be U, is only the option D. Okay, next. Again, paper cutting folding, just look at this and now I'll show you all the options together. I mean in last dates. And I'll give you 40 seconds is enough. Simple symmetry is going to give you your answer. Okay, that's quick and that's correct. Only one element is going to give away the answer. Correct. So what is happening here? If you observe carefully, whenever this flip will open this way, right, the triangle will go. So we have two opposite triangles, right, sharing the same base. Not happening here, not happening here, not happening here, only happening here. So option B is the right answer. Okay, good. Dictionary arrangement. Okay, good. Again, let's check. So in the first position we have 1 and 3. First position we have 1 and 3. Between accusable and accursed, S, this is 19, this is 18. Obviously 3 is going to come first, this is gone, this is gone. After 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5 is common. Check only for 2 and 4 and get your answer. Acerbity and acetify. So this is ER, this is ET. 18, 20, obviously 2 is going to come first, so option B is the right answer. Okay, next. Correct, correct, correct. Good, good. Amit and Argamita, both are right. Absolutely right. Correct. Ranu, absolutely correct. Good. Ishwara Lakshmi, correct. Debashi is correct. So what exactly happened here is we took the cube root of 729. One thing is for sure that they are full cubes, so there has to be a cube here. Most probably your answer is going to be option D. But still, if we check it, we take the cube root of 729, we get 9, and we multiply this 9 with the next number which comes into picture, that is 10. So we get 90. We take the cube root of 512, we get 8. We multiply 8 with the next number, consecutive number, we get 72. So this is 7 into 8, product of two consecutive numbers. 7 cube has to be our answer, which is 343. Option D is the right answer. Good job. Next. Correct. Very good. Excellent. So 10 into 4 plus 4, 44. 8 into 4 plus 4, 36. 18 into 4 plus 4, 76. Sorry. Yeah. But 12 into 4 plus 2 is 50. So option D becomes my correct answer. The odd one out. Into 4 plus 4. The logic. Correct. Yes, Argamita, Amit and Debashi is absolutely right. One thing which I want to share with you guys here is, I'm not sure, I'm sure a lot of you already know this, but for those who don't, whenever you want to check such questions, so coded blood relations is asked in this form where a lot of students feel that they have to check all the 4 options. No, you'll end up wasting your time. Luckily here your option B is the right answer, so just checking once and twice you might get the answer, but you can save time here also. How? You start eliminating. You know that P has to be the mother of R, so P cannot be a male. What shows a male? Minus sign shows a male, and that's it. Minus sign shows a male. So P cannot have a minus sign next to it. P has a minus sign here, gone. P has a minus sign here, gone. Now check only for option B and C, you will get your answer. So P divided by Q. P divided by Q means P is the mother of Q. And Q plus R means Q is the sister of R. So we know that P is the mother of R. Option B is the correct answer. That's it. Got it? Next. Read the question carefully. Which of the following equation will not be correct? Try to do this verbally. So 5 minus 8 divided by 1, that is 8 only. 5 minus 8 plus 9 into 3, 27. 5 minus 8, that is minus 3 plus 27. This is 24. That's right. So A is correct. Check for B now. Do it verbally. Don't unnecessarily solve it. Eight into 2 is 16. Yeah. So we have already checked the first one. First one is not the answer. We have 3 and 1. So 4 divided by 1 minus 3 plus 8 into 2. So this is 4 plus 16. 16. I think this is the right answer. This is not correct. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, let's check. First, let's see where are we going wrong. So this is 9. This is minus 16. This is 56, 72. So if you add this, you get 128. 128 minus 25 is 102. Okay. We need to increase this answer. If we need to increase this answer, what do we change? 14 and 72. See, if we remove 126 from here, 72 is not divisible by 14. So this is not going to yield a very good answer. So eliminate that. Okay. Instead of 14, can I put 7 here? Instead of 14, can I put 7 here? Is it divisible by 7? I think it is. 7, yeah, 18. So we can get a larger number which is subtracted here. But in 14 into 8, we'll get a more larger number which is added here. This might do the trick. Let's try it. So 72 plus 14 into 8 minus 126 divided by 7 minus 4 square. So this is 18. This is 112, 72 and 16. And if we add this, we get 184 minus 34. That is 150. Yes, option C is the right answer. Correct. Next. Correct, Argamita. Very good. Easy. Correct. Amit Debashi is absolutely right. So the complete figure is just going 90-degree anti-clockwise. That's it. As simple as that. Okay. I think you're giving me the right answer. So if you look at as per the arrow, it's going here 90-degree anti-clockwise, 90-degree anti-clockwise, or 90-degree anti-clockwise. Our arrow should be pointing in the east, which is only there in option. This is gone, this is gone. We're left with B and D now. Now when this will go here, this dot will come here, shaded dot. So option D is the only right answer. Okay, option D is the only right answer. This is what I was talking about. Right? We are live with the SSC CGL Tier 1 2025 Score Booster course, and if you are interested in learning these tricks much in detail as to what all we have to offer, right? A quick practice, I would say a good revision, an in-depth revision, which is as good as a at par course, and then followed by a practice course, all in one course only. You are going to practice simultaneously a lot of questions, which is going to build your concept as well. So you can definitely check out this course on the oliveboard application and go ahead and subscribe as soon as possible, because seats are filling super fast. We might have to launch another batch in a very short span of time. Okay, let's start with this again. Okay, what is happening here? 8, 10 minus 2 minus 2, 8, 4 minus 4, and 4, 2 minus 2 again. 20, 18 minus 2, 18, 14 minus 4, 14, 12 minus 2. So definitely this is the logic which is being followed. 16, 14 minus 2, 14, 10 minus 4, 10, 8 minus 2. So obviously this seems to be the answer. 26 and 23, this is minus 3. So option D is the correct answer. Correct. Good. Absolutely right. Very good, guys. Amit, Ishwarya Lakshmi, Debashish, Sneha, Joyson, Argamita. Good job, guys. Try this one now. Which of the following equation will be correct? You quickly change them and partially solve them and get your answers. First one is pretty close. 7 into 3, 21 plus 4 minus 3. 21 plus 1 is 22. So A is not the answer for sure. The next one is 4 plus 5 into 2 is 10. 4 plus 10 minus 7. 4 plus 10, 14 minus 7 is 7. So B is also not true. Checking the third one, we have 7 minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2 into 3. That is 3 into 3, 9. So 9 minus 4 plus 7, 16 minus 4 is 12. Option C is the right answer. answer. See, verbally also we can solve mostly. Don't need anything here. Good. Next. Okay. So this is 23, 21. So we are subtracting 2, 19, 17, 15. O will be the first one, right? We are subtracting 2 here. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 15 we'll start with. And the second letter will give you the answer. So 14, 12, 10, 8, again minus 2. So 6. OFU is the correct answer. Next. Blood relations. Okay. Now we need to check this part. How is D related to G? D at the rate E, D is the son of E. E percent F, E is the husband of F. F plus G, F is the mother of G. How is D related to G? D is the brother of G. Cool, easy. Next. Okay. So the logic is quite clear that alternate letters are the same and alternate letters are changing positions by increasing by +1. Okay. So first and third, the odd letters are increasing by +1, the even letters are staying as it is, even positional letters. So based on that, see. So A plus 1 is B, E plus 1 is F, R plus 1, R and A and A are same. Same is happening with here. So G and L are going to change. So we have dash O dash D and G and L will increase by 1. So we have 13 here and we have 8 here. So HOMD option C is the right answer. Next. Correct. Very good, Amit. Excellent. Good. Debashi is absolutely right. That's the speed we are looking for. Correct, correct, correct. So what is happening here? We know that this is 5. This is 5 square. This is 5 square plus 5. That is sum of these two numbers. 16 square. This is 16 square plus 16. These two numbers. Okay. Just check their unit digits now. 5 plus 5 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 2. Now 5 plus 5 can be 0. This could have been your answer, but 225 plus 15 is 240, not 230. So this is not an answer. Check for all others. 9 plus 1 should have been 10. No. 9 plus 1 should have been 10. No. 9 plus 3 is 2. Yes, this is right. And if you check, 13 square is 169. 13 square plus 13 is 182. So option C is my correct answer. Next. How about giving me a like, guys? I think if all of you are watching the session, I'm sure you're liking it, right? So you can just hit the like button if it is not troubling your fingers. If it is not a lot of hard work, I would request if you could just like this session. Provided you're liking it, of course. Okay, again an easy question. I think syllogism in SSC exams has always been easy so far. All books are pencils. Some pencils are pens. All pens are erasers. Some erasers are pencils. Erasers are pencils. Yes, absolutely true. All pens are books. Not at all. Pens and books are not connected. So no conclusion between them. Some erasers are pens. Some erasers are pens. Absolutely right. So only 1 and 2 follow. Option C is the correct. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, only 1 and 3 follow. Option D is the right answer. Next. So this is a mirror image based question. You can look at the images and now I've enlarged them for you. 40 seconds is more than sufficient. In fact, extra. Okay. Correct. So W is being flipping. So W, rest everything will go. Gone. Then we have 7 flip here. Same. F flip here. Both will be gone, right? So only option A is the right answer. Element wise, always break it down element wise. Embedded figures, here we have okay. Are we sure it's D? Correct. Very good, very good, very good. Debashish, Ishwar, Lakshmi, Argamita. Absolutely right. C is the right answer. So here is the figure. Okay, then there is another line here which is not visible actually. So option C is the right answer. Next. By the way, what are you guys doing this Saturday at 4 p.m.? I mean, just asking if you guys are free, if we could just have a chit chat, a meeting of sorts. Then you can do it on the oliveboard application. I'll bring some questions and we can sit and practice. Yeah, that works. Nothing. Sweet. So that's what I'm telling you. If you guys are free, if there is nothing which you are occupied in, you can come here, see me, not on YouTube, but on the oliveboard application. Just join in the application and check for free classes, free courses. You can absolutely connect with me there. I'll be practicing questions like this there also. You can just go through them and utilize them for your benefits, right? All colors are small. If at all that is your wish. Not forcing you, but if you come, it's definitely going to be useful. More the merrier. All color are small. What am I doing? No small are big. Okay, all small are color, is that? No. Some small are color, absolutely right. All big are color, not at all. So only 2 follows. This is option B is the correct answer. Okay, so sweet. Thank you so much, guys. I will wait for you. Huh? So on that note, we end the session here, right? As I told you, the Score Booster courses are live already on the oliveboard application and website. If you need, you can check it also. This is the Score Booster course I was talking about in English medium. So you can go ahead and subscribe to the same as soon as possible. Just look at what all is available, right? And look at the testimonials. Everything is there. You can go ahead and check the Score Booster course premium if you are interested in it. And otherwise, also do check out the free sessions which I am conducting every Saturday. It was wonderful teaching you today. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye bye, namaskar, jai hind. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, you guys take care.